5 ways to earn money using your phone. Number 1. Online surveys and microtasks. Complete paid surveys and small tasks on websites and apps. Number 2. Freelancing and gig platforms. Offer your skills and services to clients through online platforms. Number 3. Selling products or services. Use online stores or existing platforms to sell products or offer services. Number 4. Mobile apps and games. Develop and monetize your own apps or games. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate links.